Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create product variations in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log in to your Hostinger account, and then click on websites. Now, next to the websites that you want to create a product variation for, click on Manage Store button to go straight to the store management area in Hostinger website builder. Now go to products and click on the product you want to create variations for and scroll down here to options. Yes, here in options you can manage what options this product comes in, such as size, color, or weight. Unique variants will be created, which you can then control individually. Now let's create a product variation. Click on add option. Here give your variation a name, for example size, color, material, etc. For example, since this is a headphone product, I will go with the color, or I will create a color variation. So click on add option. So I will call it color, and here below selections for this option, fill in the variations name. For example, in my case, I will create one for the white color. Then click on add new and create a black variation. Now click on save. And just like that, you will see this new table below options. As you see, the variation that I have right now is the color variation with two multiple options. If you want to add a second variation, simply click on this add option. And you can, for example, create, for example, size. Or instead of size, let's go with, for example, since this is a headphone, let's call it connection. Click on save. Oh, my bad. Here, what connection variations I want to add. First, I will add type C, for example. And second, I will go, for example, with what is the cable name of the iPhone? I think lightning, something lightning. Okay, yes, let's search for lightning cable iPhone. Lightning cable. Okay, let's call it iPhone Samsung. Okay, click on save, and just like that you will see the second variation below the first one with the two options. Now let's see, now when you have, okay, this table, the first time this table may be harder for you, or not easy to understand. Here the variation, here this table have multiple columns. The first one is the variant, the second one is price, discounted price, SKU, the weight, the quantity, and low stock threshold. As you see here, the first variation is white type C. Then I have white lightning, okay. And then I have black type C, and then black lightning. So when you have two variations with two options, here you will see four options. Yes, four product options or product variations. If in my case, or let's say here for the color variation, instead of two options, I have three times two of the second variation options equals 6. So here I will get, or I will see 6 lines instead of 4 right now. Okay, the first thing that you can do is to pick a correct photo for this variation or for this option. So click on this little pen. Since this is a white variation, I will pick this white photo. If this photo should be added first here from add media images, and when you see them here, then you can pick them from this table. Okay, the second one is also white. This is a black color, and this is the black color. Okay, here you can also edit the variation price depending, or you can edit the price depending on the variation. Let's say that this white option is expensive. For example, let's go with $60 instead of just $50. Same thing for the discount price. You can edit it depending on the variation. Here the SKU for SKU is a stock keeping unit, is a unique number used to identify individual products in your store. This is only for back-end organization. You can also edit the white per variation, quantity, and low stock threshold. This low stock threshold means that when this specific variation or option is below 5 available units, for example, you will see a low stock notification on the, I think on, yes, on the product list page. Now that I've added those variations and options, show lowest price first. Here you can pick this option. Let's read it. Product price on your site will be displayed starting from the lowest price, example from $5. When opening a product page, product options will be pre-selected accordingly. Here you can go with show lowest price first, track quantity. When you don't track quantity, you can't see this quantity line will be hidden. Same thing for track quantity. My bad. Yes, track low stock I meant. Now you can enable or disable. Let's disable those options to keep things easier for you. Now click on save, and as you see till now, those new product variations are not published or are not live online. You need to publish your site, publish or update it for these product variations to go live. So click and publish in editor and update your website. Now that my website is updated, let's view the new variations. Go to store. This is the product. And let's check the variations, white, black. As you see, as I pick the color option, the correct photos is selected. Same thing for the lightning, like this second variation, but since the connection, I didn't pick a different photo for the connection, no image change is shown. And this is how to add product variations like size or color in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.